watching me from. I want to take you through chemistry paper 2, a question which is a must come, organic chemistry. Organic chemistry is a question which will never miss in paper 2. Also paper 1, some 2-3 marks will come, but we are sure for paper 2. So I want to take you through a question in organic chemistry. The book follow. Remember to subscribe on YouTube and you will enjoy. Subscribing is free, liking is free, does not cost you anything unless teaching, and I learn step by step, and I know you will enjoy. Thank you very much.
Let us look at chemistry paper 2. The first question is from organic chemistry. I give the systematic names for the following compounds. You have been given the first compound here. You need to look at it and then identify which type of compound is this. You look at this from C to here. You can see the functional group is RCOOH. So that tells you this is an alkyl, tells you that this is propanoic acid. That tells you that one is propanoic acid. The next compound, you look at this, and whenever you see CH and there is double O, excuse. The process of forming this one is esterification, where an alcohol is reacting with an alkanoic acid. So this compound here is this. We start from here 1,2 ethyl. This is ethyl. Alkyl part comes from the alcohol, and the alkanoid part comes from the acid. Then the last one, the third, number 3, here when you look at this one, you may not tell exactly what it is. So we don't know whether this is an alkane, an alkenone, an alkyne. Write the structural formula for that compound. Once you have done that, so put the hydrogen, that's the first carbon has got 1 hydrogen. The fourth one has got 3 bonds. So look at this one, 1, 2, 3, 4, it's okay. 1, 2, 3, it's okay, 4. And look at this carbon number 1 and number 2, 1. This one has got only 1, 2. What about this one? This one has got 1, 2. So what is missing? It means you had another one again. So we will have 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Therefore, this compound is an alkyl. I don't know, alkenes, alkyne. This one is now the double bond. The functional group is in carbon number 1. Therefore, we say but for that compound. The scheme. So before you go to the question, you are supposed to analyze this chart, this flow chart properly, because you have read the concept, the content. Now look at this. We are starting with the ethanol. What does ethanol undergo to form ethanoic acid? So step 2 is oxidation. What are the reagents that are used in that we have talked about? Now let's go to step 2, step 3 here. Step 3, what's happening? Ethanol, 1,2-ethanol is undergoing a certain step, forming 1,2, forming ethene. This is ethene. So which step is this? Step 3 is dehydration. Dehydration is the removal of here. So we have ethene, dehydration. The conditions necessary for the dehydration to occur is conc sulfuric acid. Conc sulfuric acid. Step 4, ethene 1,2 ethene is undergoing a step 4 to form a polymer. This is K is a polymer. It must be a polymer. It is a polymer. This is going to be polyethylene. So the polymer here is polyethylene. So K is polyethylene. That one is obvious. Now let's go to step 1. This one, this is ethanoic acid. Ethanoic acid is reacting with magnesium. It reacts with magnesium to form products here. So this is an acid, remember? An acid plus a metal is going to form a salt plus hydrogen gas. So the product here is plus hydrogen gas. Those are the products. But when ethanol is reacting with magnesium or a metal, any metal, it forms magnesium ethoxide. Ethoxide plus hydrogen gas. So that is the difference. Ethanol will react with magnesium to form a salt called magnesium ethoxide, while ethanoic acid will react with magnesium to form magnesium ethanoate. So that is the difference. Now, step here, ethanoic acid is reacting with sodium hydroxide to form sodium ethanoate. This one is sodium ethanoate. Sodium ethanoate is undergoing step 4 to form methane. The process here in excess chlorine to form compound Z. So which step this process here where we use UV light is called substitution. Substitution, because we know alkanes are saturated, therefore they don't have much reactions. So for tetrachloromethane, we are going to form tetrachloromethane here. Then we have this one is heated, methanol. We are using methanol and ethanoic acid plus alcohol. That process is esterification. We are going to form an ester, because in the presence of sulfuric acid, we are going to form an ester, and water is formed. So what we are going to form methyl ethanoate. This one is going to X is methyl ethanoate. Methyl ethanoate, which we will write CH3 COOCH3. This is an ester called methyl. Now you can go to the questions and try to see what the question required you to do. Name the type of reactions, and the conditions in step 2. So step 2, so we have said step 2. Yes, so that one is oxidation. So you warm. The reagents, now that is the reagents that we need. You can use acidified potassium permanganate. This H refers for is for acidified, or you can use acidified potassium. So any of this one can work best. Step 3, type of reaction taking place in step 3. So we go back to step 3 and look at acid. So you see, you can simply write sulfuric acid, but you are told name the types of reactions, name. So you are asked to give the name. Please don't write the chemical